Indian spices versus Chinese herbs, a look at culinary traditions. Welcome to India-China Culture Circle, an initiative from the XuFancheng Culture Study Center, where we bring you the best of both worlds, discovering the rich cultural heritage of India and China. A brief video comparing the use of spices in Indian cooking and herbs in Chinese cooking explores the unique flavor, aroma, health benefits, and cultural traditions of both cuisines. Encourages viewers to experiment and discover the magic of these culinary staples. Welcome to a world of flavor and tradition, where every culture has its own unique ingredients that add depth and personality to their dishes. Today, we are taking a closer look at two of the most vibrant and flavorful cuisines in the world, Indian and Chinese. Indian cooking is a celebration of spices. From cumin and coriander to turmeric and cardamom, each spice adds its own unique taste, aroma, and health benefits to dishes. Used in everything from curries to chutneys, Indian spices are a staple in any kitchen. Chinese cooking, on the other hand, relies heavily on the use of herbs. From ginger and garlic to Sichuan peppercorn and ginseng, these herbs are used not just for flavor but for their medicinal properties as well. With a rich cultural history and an emphasis on balancing yin and yang, Chinese herbs bring an unrivaled depth to the dishes they grace. But what sets these two cuisines apart? Is it the bold and spicy flavors of Indian spices or the delicate and fragrant essence of Chinese herbs? Let's find out. From the fiery vindaloo to the savory masala, Indian spices bring a bold and robust flavor to the table. Chinese herbs, on the other hand, are used to add depth and complexity to dishes like hot pot and wonton soup. Indian spices are often used in combination, ground and blended into a paste for marinades and sauces. Chinese herbs are used in more subtle ways, infused into broths, or simply added as a garnish. Both spices and herbs offer a range of health benefits, from aiding digestion to boosting the immune system. But they also have their own unique properties, with Indian spices known for their anti-inflammatory properties and Chinese herbs used for their traditional medicinal benefits. Whether you're a fan of bold and spicy or delicate and fragrant, both Indian spices and Chinese herbs offer a world of flavor and tradition to explore. So next time you're in the kitchen, don't be afraid to experiment and discover the magic of these culinary staples. From the taste buds to your soul, spices and herbs bring the world to your table.